Today, we will understand the edges and corners of shapes. Bablu had hidden Chanda's most loved big walnut, and Chanda had been given instructions in the letter to look for the walnut. Chanda read the letter. I have hidden your biggest walnut. If you want to find your walnut, then reach the well with any object with 3 edges and 3 corners. Chanda had no idea about edges and corners. She rushed to Big Mouth Uncle's house. She asked Uncle that what is meant by edges and corners. Children, do you know about edges and corners? Any idea? No problem. Let us also learn the concepts of edges and corners from Uncle. Uncle showed the table at his place. See that outside the surface of this table, 4 lines are forming the boundary of the table. We call them edges. And do you know what is meant by corners? Where 2 edges meet, we call that point as a corner. Uncle asks Chanda that how many edges and corners are there on this rectangular table? Children, do you know the answer? Yes, 4 edges and 4 corners. Then Chanda told Uncle that she is looking for an object that has 3 edges and 3 corners. Uncle made these 3 shapes on paper. Children, do you recognize these shapes? Yes, this is a rectangle. This is a square. And this is a triangle. Now, Uncle asked Chanda to recognize the objects with 3 edges and 3 corners. Do you recognize this shape? Absolutely right. Triangle. Triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Children, can you tell me if the edges of these shapes are made of straight lines or are they curved? Yes, the edges of these shapes are made of straight lines. Now, Uncle said to Chanda that if she wants the solution to the puzzle, then she has to look for one triangular shaped object. Children, can you find such an item in Uncle's house? Oh, wow, kids! You found it! Now Chanda reached the well along with the hanger. Chanda closed her eyes. Seeing this, Bablu came out from behind the well and kept the walnut in front of Chanda and ran away from there. When Chanda opened her eyes and found her walnut, she started dancing with joy. Children, in this lesson, we learned about the edges and corners of shapes. In the previous video, we learned about the edges and corners of shapes. In this video, we will see some interesting examples of the same. Today, Babban has again come to Appu's shop to eat sweets for free. Babban said to Appu that he will play a game with him. He can quickly tell among the sweets or snacks how many edges and how many corners they have. If the answer is right, then Appu will let Babban eat the sweet for free. But if he gives the wrong answer, then he will pay the amount for that sweet to Appu. Appu agreed. Appu first gave Babban a piece of a burfi. Babban immediately said, 12 corners and 8 edges. Is Babban's answer correct? This is how the piece of burfi looks. Can you tell how many edges and how many corners does it have? Here are the edges. How many edges are there in total? 12. And how many corners? 8. Babban's answer is absolutely correct. He quickly ate the burfi. Now Appu gave Babban a Kaju Katli. Babban thought for a while. Children, can you also, along with Babban, think how many edges and corners does the Kaju Katli have? A Kaju Katli looks like this. Can you say which are the edges of this sweet? Yes, these are the edges of the sweet. How many edges in total? 12. Now, can you make out which are the corners of the sweet? Here are the corners. How many total corners? 8. Babban answered this one correctly, and he quickly ate up the Kaju Katli too. Children, before Appu's next question, amongst all of these shapes, can you recognize the shape which has no corners? This is the right answer. These shapes have no corners. Now Appu had understood Babban's trick. This time he gave Babban a peda. Babban was confident that this time too he will answer correctly, so he quickly ate the peda. Now Babban started thinking. He answered that a peda has no corners and no edges. Children, is Babban's answer correct? This is how a peda looks. Can you recognize its curved edge? Correct. This is the curved edge of a peda. A curved edge. And corner? Yes, a peda does not have a corner. Appu explained the correct answer to Babban and took money for the peda from him. At last Babban learnt a lesson. Children, in this lesson, we saw some interesting examples about the edges and corners of shapes. we will see common mistakes related to the edges and corners of shapes. Raju, Bablu and Meenu are playing a unique game. Raju will tell Meenu and Bablu the number of edges and corners of shapes. Meenu and Bablu will have to make a shape according to the question asked. Raju's first question is such a shape which has 4 edges and 4 corners. Meenu and Bablu both start making their shapes. Meenu made this shape and Bablu has made this shape. Children, can you say, out of the two, whose shape is correct? Come, let us see Meenu's shape first. How many edges does Meenu's shape have? 4. And how many corners? 4. So is Meenu's shape correct? Yes, it is. Come on, now let us have a look at Bablu's shape. Can you recognize the curved edges of Bablu's shape? Yes, you have recognized them correctly. How many total curved edges are there? 4. Now, can you recognize the corners of Bablu's shape? Yes, correct. Bablu has made a shape where the corners are meeting 2 curved edges. How many corners are there in total? 4. So is Bablu's shape correct as well? Yes, Bablu's shape is correct as well. Raju's next question is such a shape which has 2 curved edges but no corners. Meenu and Bablu start thinking. Children, can you make such a shape? Come, let us see which shapes have Meenu and Bablu made. This is Meenu's shape. Children, can you say how many edges are there in Meenu's shape? 2 edges. Perfect answer. Meenu's shape has 1 curved edge and 1 straight edge. Can you look for corners in Meenu's shape? Yes, these are the corners in Meenu's shape. How many corners are there in total? 2. So children, is Meenu's shape correct? No, that's because her shape has 2 corners. Come, let us have a look at Bablu's shape. Can you look out for the edges in Bablu's shape? Yes, these are the 2 curved edges in Bablu's shape. Can you look for the corners in this shape? Perfectly correct. In Bablu's shape, the curved edges can never meet. That is why Bablu's shape has no corners. So, is Bablu's shape correct? Yes, Bablu's shape is absolutely correct. Bablu has won the game. Children, in this lesson, we saw some common mistakes related to the edges and corners of shapes.